Hello, I'm Nancy Fabosi, Senior Research Analyst for Frost & Sullivan's Healthcare and Life Sciences IT practice. Today, there's a lot of focus on getting health professionals and hospitals engaged with information technology. Consumers are also using web-based tools to do things like communicate with their providers via email, schedule appointments, pre-register for hospital visits, manage payments, and perform a variety of other tasks. There's lots of reasons why we are all very interested in using computer and mobile technology to manage our health-related issues. We've grown accustomed to using these tools in other aspects of our lives. Why not healthcare? Take, for example, the personal health record concept, more commonly known as the PHR. This is basically a medical record that is designed to be primarily maintained by an individual so they can manage their own health information. An electronic PHR system can be a standalone computer program, a web-based program, or a smartphone-like application. For all of the potential benefits that come along with PHRs, it has been difficult for companies and providers to make the case to consumers that they can benefit from using a PHR. MEDSEEK solutions employ new technologies that help patients and other consumers engage with PHRs to drive informed decision-making. MEDSEEK helps patients benefit from less administrative hassle and ultimately from getting to see the results of their engagement with their providers, all of which makes PHRs a valuable and attractive undertaking. Frost & Sullivan has awarded MEDSEEK with the 2011 Technology Leadership Award because of their pioneering work in helping clients bring the modern, technologically empowered consumer into their patient engagement strategy. MEDSEEK's technology approach is an example of the sort of comprehensive, best practices approach needed in order to drive the continued adoption of PHRs.
Frost & Sullivan is proud to present the 2011 North American Personal Health Records Technology Leadership Award to MEDSEEK, Inc. And accepting the award is Rich Grijalva, SVP, Professional Services.
Thank you. On behalf of the men and women at MEDSEEK, and especially the 800 clients across North America, we would like to thank Frost & Sullivan for this prestigious award. And I would venture a guess that most of you went online before you came here to book your flight, and you had an opportunity to choose your airline provider, had an opportunity to compare cost, even had an opportunity to pick the time and your seat, as well as a hotel and a car rental. But unfortunately, we're unable to do the same thing in healthcare. If one of us here had some event where we had to leave here to go to the hospital, and you are not from this town, you would not get information about yourself to that emergency physician. We wouldn't have the ability to understand what medications you're on, what x-rays, what anything medically that might be necessary to tell that physician. And the healthcare system in the U.S. is broken. I think we all know that. We all have a story to share. And myself, my physician called up and asked me if I could fax some of my records to him. I said, who has a fax machine? As I'm doing it on my smartphone. So what MEDSEEK is engaged in is providing the ability to simply to make e-health simple for patients and engaging their families, for consumers, for clinicians, employees, and exchanging information throughout the healthcare system. So once again, on behalf of MEDSEEK, we would like to thank Frost & Sullivan for this recognition, and thank you all.
Hi, I'm David Frigstead, Chairman of Frost & Sullivan. Congratulations on earning this year's Best Practices Award from Frost & Sullivan. It's a fantastic achievement for your team and company. We're pleased to recognize and bring to the attention of the entire world your hard work, dedication, and innovation. This award is especially meaningful because it's based on third-party, unbiased research and comes from a globally recognized consulting organization. You can be confident that our team has identified and verified this year's recipients based on a comprehensive evaluation of the entire marketplace, leveraging a highly disciplined research methodology. Our team of over 1,800 analysts leverage our proprietary research methodology to track more than 300 markets and 250,000 industry players. Being recognized by this award places your company in the top 1% of global best practice performance. Congratulations on earning this year's Best Practices Award.